Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move cards on your Trello board. As you can see here, I'm in my Trello workspace. I'm on a specific Trello board called My Ideas. And cards are placed within list, right? And as you can see, I have the to-do list here, I have the doing list, and I have the done list. And I'm going to show you a few ways how you can go about moving specific cards to different lists. So the first way, guys, is to literally take the card and drag it to the next list. That's the fastest and the most easiest way, right? So you can take a specific card and you can drag it to a list. So that's one way how you can do it. Another way is to simply right click on a card and you'll have the option to move. And if you click on it, you also see that it also tells you that you can press Ctrl plus X and Ctrl plus V to literally move cards. But let's go ahead and click on the move button here. And here it will give you some suggestions as well. So it's using the power of the AI to basically give you suggestion where you can move it, or you can go ahead and you can move it to different boards. So if you want to move to different boards, you can literally move a card to a different board, or you can move it to a list. So it is showing you the current. So let's say I want to move this back to do. I can go ahead and I can choose to do, and I can just move it, and I can even change the position where I want this to be. So let's say I don't want to be in 3, I want it to be in the first place. I can do that and click and move. And as you can see right here, it literally moves it back into the to-do list. Right, another way is that if you have a specific card open, so let's say I open up this card here, I can go ahead and I can choose move at the top. So if you look right below the name of the specific card, you will show you where it is. You can click on that, and here you will see with the current board that it's there, and you can also change the list. So I can move this to specifically to whatever list I want. So I can move this back to doing here, and I can just simply click and move, and you will see that it's in the doing. So if I close this, there's nothing in done, but it's now in the doing list. Another way, if you open up a specific card, if you look towards the right hand side of any specific card, you'll have the option on the action here. So you can click and move, and you can do the same thing. You can move it to a specific position. So let's say I want to move it now to do, but this time I don't want it to be in the 4th place, but I want it to be in the 1st place as well, and click and move. And you will see now once I close this card, it's now there and it's in the 1st place. And that's it, guys. These are the different ways how you can move a card on your Trello board, guys. Very easy and very simple.